Hey all, my name is Florian. I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Glasgow and University of Edinburgh, and it is my great pleasure to spend a few words on our position paper. So our paper came with a slightly provocative title, Remote XR Studies, the Golden Future of HCI Research. And I would like to emphasize that it is, as of today, unclear to what extent remote XR research can be applied to the larger HCI research field. That being said, remote XR research seems to be promising in the future because it can contribute to more diverse and larger sample sizes. And it can also be particularly promising at times where face-to-face human-centered research is prohibited due to, for example, COVID-19. And there are many, many more advantages, obviously also besides some disadvantages of remote XR research. However, what is essential when we think about remote XR research is a well-defined definition of the term. What is it actually? And I have brought with me two examples, a recent paper by Saeghe et al. And one of our own papers, which comes with two studies. And one of the studies has been deployed online in a non-immersive way, which means we used VR recordings, but our participants experienced the virtual environment on a traditional screen. And the question I would like to pose here is, what do we as a community consider to be remote XR research? For example, does the term, or let's say the methodology, require participants to wear a VR AR headset? From the perspective of an author, a clear definition helps to better position the work in the existing literature and enables comparisons between the conducted work and also already published ones. On the other side of the story, making it clear what has been done and also how it has been done can support reviewers to more easily grasp the value, assess the validity, and also see the contribution of such remote XR research projects. And besides typical XR research, which moved from the lab online due to COVID-19 that we have seen in the last 1 to 2 years, there are also some works which looked into using XR as a research platform to replace and or augment real-world research. And what these works have in common is that they aimed to replicate real-world systems and user behavior in virtual reality. So why do I mention these works? Well, there seems to be a lot of emphasis on moving traditional XR research to remote XR research, and also take a look at the corresponding challenges there. But I argue that to show the entire potential and strength of remote XR research, we need to look at both. How can we conduct XR research in a remote way? And also, how can we conduct real-world research through the help of XR technology in a remote way? And I think the combination of both can accelerate adoption and usage of this comparatively novel and highly impactful approach to evaluate human-centered systems. That's everything from my side. Thanks a lot, and please feel free to reach out to any of us.